are dressed in holoku, which was the formal wear of our ladies back in the 1920s and 1930s. They dance a song called My Beautiful Hawaii, written by a woman who was originally from here, but now lives in Anchorage, Alaska. She was missing Hawaii, the blue skies, the surf, the sunshine, and she called a composer friend here in Hawaii and asked him to help her write this song, as she was missing Hawaii so much. The other song that we will be dancing is called Mailele, and the lei that the ladies wear around their neck are leaves of the maile vine, which is sacred to our goddess of the hula, and is worn by our dignitaries and by our ali'i, our royalty here in Hawaii. They're very special. They're given on special occasions to very special people. My beautiful Hawaii, your star, wave all the dark clouds away, shower each mountain with dew. Shine on the stars, crystal bright. Sparkle your sandstorms for me. My beautiful Hawaii. Sun-kissed, Ilima lays, regal splendor entwined with fragrant. My name makes me feel like royalty. Soft winds that sing in the sky, rainbows caressing the sky. I stroll once again by the sea, my beautiful